Hey, welcome back to Him and I. Today we are going to be making some Cabriole legs for a vanity that I plan on making. I'm going to break this up into a couple steps. I might do a little fast video of the whole build of the vanity when it's finished. But what I want to do is I want to make some special legs. So I went online and I found these on the SketchUp, and it kind of just gave me an idea of the height. These ones are 31 inches and then 18 inches and 25 inches. And what I want to do is make a stool and a table or vanity top. So this is one of the first ones I made. And to get there, so I jointed the face of these things to get them a little bit better glue-in surface. So what I'm going to do now is just put a whole bunch of glue on them and then clamp them together. So I allowed these to dry for way more than 24 hours. It's been a couple days, a weekend. So go ahead and take them out of the clamps. Now we'll take them to the joiner and get that that gap and the edge off of one side, and then also clean the face of another one. What we'll do is we'll keep that towards the side we're gonna cut off. If you see from this leg here, we want to make sure we get that be our back piece so we can take care of that and not have to worry too much about that being in the problem area. And then I cut out the general shape of what I wanted because I couldn't get these to turn out the same size, so I had to kind of do that. And what I did is I transferred it onto a piece of hardwood flooring as a good little guide here. And then all I do from there is just take it and get the Sharpie bandsaw. It cracked, but this is probably the coolest part of the whole thing is when you pull it all apart. You see what you get, and you get the out form of the leg here. So you can see there's a lot of sanding we got to do, and with the belt sander, it seems to really help with that. So I'll do a demonstration on that, and we'll keep moving forward. I'm going to use the belt sander with 60 grit, highly aggressive thing, and get these ridges out of here. That's all I want to do is just get the ridges and the high points off of here. I don't want to take too much off, but I don't want to have to sand with a littler grit forever. And then like right here, you'll see I didn't get quite good right there. I'll tackle that pretty good with that. And be careful with the belt sander because it will ride up and bite you. So what I'm going to do now is just put it in time lapse, and we're just going to sand all these things down as best as I can. I'm going to switch to the palm sander here and just kind of
there's so much sawdust.
And then that just kind of helps really smooth it out, and then we'll just keep going down in different stuff here. All right, so then we got this leg here. The face of it, you know, I got two different sizes of wood, so this one's a little bit straight edge and this one's curved. So what we're gonna do is actually just take a piece of cut off from I think this is a 2.5 inch, 2 3/4. And then I line it up at the bottom and in the middle. Then I got this bigger bit, and this one is a 3.5 inch bit. So you put that pilot bit right there. There you go. Now we got a little rounded face there, and we can do a little bit better sanding on that. But that's just a good clean way to make it, just add a little bit more detail to it. All right, see, these things are really starting to take shape now. You can see from the thing, I would kind of roll this around the thing. I've seen a guy make a router bit that would work on this thing, but it looks sketchy, and I was not comfortable doing that way. So that's how I got the round over here. I just kind of worked my thing back and forth like that, and it seemed to work real well. There's some little defects we still got to work out here, but we'll just keep on sanding. I'm not going to waste your time watching me sand, but you know, the project that you make is only as good as the preparation and sanding that you do. So do as much as you can, as much as you can take.